we are still at Fray International Sustainability Award. The next winner, Mario Linhares. So you have to come on stage, and I invite your stage, João Ricardo. João Ricardo on stage.
This world mine, I'd give you anything. I'd give you the flowers, the birds and the bees. That would be all I need. This world
I'm inviting here João Ricardo, Councillor of the city of Rio de Janeiro, the city where I am honorary citizen. So you're going to give it to me.
It's mine. It's mine. Don't take it away. No, don't take it away. It's mine. Come on.
So this is in the business category, not in politics anymore, in business category. So.
Thank you very much.
Who is going to translate you? Who is going to translate?
So you have to translate for me, please. Well, Dr. Florian, thank you very much. I mean, the first time I went to SIPS, I thought, I hope one day I get one of these. The day has finally arrived. Thank you very much, everybody.